How's it going, everybody? My name is Jack Strini. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to be taking a deep dive into Center City Allentown. Now today we're going to be walking around Center City Allentown and going to be pointing out some landmarks, some history, and talking about the different types of amenities, buildings you can find in Center City. And of course, if you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. It helps me in the algorithm. Are you looking to move to Eastern Pennsylvania or the greater Lehigh Valley? My name is Jack Strini. I'm a licensed realtor here in Allentown. The Lehigh Valley is booming right now, and with so many boroughs, townships, and cities to choose from, it can get a little confusing. Send me an email, jackstrinirealty@gmail.com. You'll find it down below in the description of this video. We can set up a Zoom consultation call, and I can get you set up on the right foot to make your move here to the Lehigh Valley. And with that, on with the video. I started my journey through Center City right in front of the PPL Building, which is the tallest building in the state of Pennsylvania outside of Pittsburgh and Philadelphia. And there actually are plans to build more skyscrapers in and around Center City. You have Ideal Tower, which would be at the corner of 8th and Hamilton, right next from the ADP Tower. I started heading west towards West Downtown, and over the past couple of years, there's been some brand new development here. You have a bunch of brand new luxury apartments dotting the lines along Hamilton Street, and then you also have the brand new Archer Music Hall, and it looked like an act was getting set up. There was like a RV and a bunch of sound equipment outside. So that's a nice smaller venue. They've got like bars inside, and you've got a lot of like small to medium acts that play there. From what I've heard, it's a really good venue. As we walk up to 10th Street, we have the brand new Moxy Hotel. And I actually didn't know this. It looked like there was like a nice bar and like some sort of event going on. They have this really cool statue outside, which has a lot of significance in the history of Allentown. So feel free to pause the video and take a read. All right, we're going to turn around and head east. There is a Dunkin' at the corner of 9th and Hamilton. This actually used to be an old Holiday Inn, which was converted into apartments. And as we walk east, we're going to start seeing more office buildings. To my left, we have the Hamilton at Grand Plaza, which used to be office complex, which was recently converted into luxury lofts. And across the way, we have some more office buildings. And as we head towards the intersection, it's going to gradually get a little more dense. As I'm walking towards 8th Street, we also have the brand new DaVinci Science Center, which is a big science museum that focuses on STEM and getting students into STEM and other sciences. Really cool building. At this intersection here, we have the ADP Tower, which is a nice 12-story skyscraper, home of the regional headquarters of the ADP Corporation. This is around 2 p.m. on a Thursday. Downtown was extremely lively, which is great to see. Having grown up in and around Allentown, I remember a time where downtown was dead almost at all hours of the day. Over the past 15 years, the city, the state have basically transformed Allentown from a sleeper city into a small metropolis. Allentown is the third largest city in the state of Pennsylvania. As of the 2020 census, it has a population of 125,000 people, and the metro population's encroaching. It's coming up on 1 million people. Even though Allentown may be on the smaller side of cities, when you're actually walking through downtown, you feel like you're in a much larger city. Allentown is also the fastest growing city in Pennsylvania. We're approaching the Soldiers and Sailors Monument, which is actually getting a complete rebuild. As it is right now, traffic goes around the monument on both sides. If you're heading eastbound on Hamilton Street, it's a little dodgy, and they're going to be rerouting traffic. So the Soldiers and Sailors Monument, which is currently on an island surrounded by traffic, is included in the plaza on the southeastern side of the intersection. It's going to make it way more pedestrian friendly. I'll have a video on that later this week. We're approaching the heart of Center City, where 7th Street and Hamilton Street meet. 7th Street and Hamilton Street are basically the two main streets of Allentown. On the other side of 7th and Hamilton, we have the main gate for the PPL Center. The PPL Center is home to the Lehigh Valley Phantoms and the brand new Lehigh Valley Spirits indoor soccer team, which will be playing here later this year. We have the old Merchants Bank, which is currently being renovated and modernized. And then we also have the Lehigh Carbon Community College Center City campus. And on the right, we will see a huge piece of Lehigh Valley history, Zion Church, which underneath in the basement hosts the Liberty Bell Museum. Now, this isn't Philadelphia, this is Allentown, Pennsylvania. Well, during the American Revolution, the Patriots actually snuck the Liberty Bell out of Philadelphia, and they hid it in the floorboards underneath this church back during the Revolutionary War. We have more modern office buildings, and at the corner of 6th and Hamilton here, where we will be making a left, we have the Americus Hotel, which was built in 1922 and was vacant for almost 20 years before being brought back and renovated in 2021, and now it's a pretty snazzy hotel. As we walk down the street, we pass by Miller Symphony Hall, and we'll find the old Morning Call building, which is currently being converted into a brand new apartment complex. As we cross Linden Street, we approach the newly rebuilt Allentown Transit Center, or ATC, where you can find connections to New York and Philadelphia via bus services like Flixbus. You can also find local Atlanta buses stopping here as well. We're going to cross Linden Street again and go into what is called the ArtsWalk, which features a nice arts pocket park in between all of the skyscrapers and a bunch of small cafes and boutique restaurants. And that concludes our tour of Center City Allentown. I didn't cover everything in Center City, but we covered the main drags. And that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more content on Allentown and the greater Lehigh Valley, be sure to subscribe for more content on the Lehigh Valley. And of course, if you're looking to move here, send me an email, jackstrinirealty@gmail.com. I'll get you set up on the right foot. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.